Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is on the Walmart tires on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered for more information on the products. I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Cooper Endeavor All-Season Tire. The Cooper Endeavor All-Season Tire is a versatile and well-rounded tire designed to provide dependable performance throughout the year, making it a strong choice for everyday driving on sedans, crossovers, and SUVs. Built with a focus on comfort, traction, and long-term durability, the Endeavor strikes an excellent balance between performance and value for most drivers. One of the most notable benefits of this tire is its all-season traction. Thanks to a specially engineered tread compound and strategically placed water evacuation grooves, the Endeavor offers confident grip on both wet and dry roads. These designs help channel water away from the tire's footprint, reducing the risk of hydroplaning and improving stability in rainy conditions. In addition to traction, drivers will appreciate the predictable and stable handling. The symmetrical tread pattern and solid center rib enhance steering response and cornering control, which makes everyday driving, from highway cruising to city stops, feel more controlled and secure. Comfort is another area where the Cooper Endeavor shines. Its advanced tread design helps absorb road imperfections, resulting in a smooth and quiet ride with reduced road noise and vibrations, a big plus for long drives or daily commutes. Longevity also matters, and the Endeavor delivers with even tread wear and a competitive mileage warranty, often around 65,000 miles. Giving drivers peace of mind that these tires will last. While it's not designed for severe winter conditions, the Cooper Endeavor All-Season Tire is ideal for drivers seeking a reliable, comfortable, and cost-effective tire for year-round performance in a wide range of everyday conditions. Number 2. Lexani Passenger Tire. Lexani Passenger Tires. Comfort, traction, and everyday value. The Lexani passenger tire lineup delivers a compelling blend of everyday performance, comfort, and value-oriented design for drivers who want reliable year-round traction without paying premium brand prices. Built for a wide range of vehicles, from compact sedans and coupes to SUVs and minivans, these all-season tires combine thoughtful engineering with accessible pricing to make daily driving more enjoyable and dependable. One of the key strengths of Lexani passenger tires is their all-season traction capability. With symmetrical and non-directional tread patterns, wide circumferential grooves help channel water away from the contact patch, improving grip on wet roads and reducing the risk of hydroplaning in rainy conditions. This makes them a solid everyday choice for areas with varying weather throughout the year. Comfort is another area where Lexani tires earn praise. Many models are designed with optimized tread patterns and noise-reducing technology, which helps minimize road noise and vibrations. Drivers often notice a quiet, smooth ride, especially on highways and city streets, contributing to less fatigue and a more pleasant travel experience. Handling and stability get a boost from features like solid center ribs and engineered tread compounds, which help enhance steering response and overall control. This translates to confidence, inspiring performance during daily commuting or weekend driving. Longevity and peace of mind also factor in. Select Lexani passenger tire models come with a tread life warranty, often around 50,000 to 55,000 miles, giving many drivers reassurance about long-term usability and value for money. In summary, Lexani passenger tires are a worthy choice for drivers seeking balanced all-season performance, ride comfort, reliable wet weather traction, and solid value, making them a practical option for everyday driving needs. Number 3. Cooper Endeavor All-Season Tire. The Cooper Evolution Winter Tire is a dedicated winter tire engineered to deliver confidence, traction, and control in harsh winter conditions, from deep snow and ice to wet, slushy roads. Designed for passenger cars, crossovers, and SUVs, this tire combines advanced technologies with real-world performance, making it a smart choice for drivers facing cold weather challenges. One of the standout features of the Evolution Winter is its Snow Groove trademark technology, which traps snow in the tread pattern to enhance snow-on-snow traction. Since snow grips better to snow than rubber, this design strategy significantly improves grip, handling, and stopping power on snowy roads, a key benefit for winter safety. The tire's multi-angled corrugated siping and directional tread pattern create thousands of biting edges that dramatically boost traction on ice and packed snow. With additional biting edges in all directions, drivers gain better control during acceleration, cornering, and braking in slippery conditions. Another practical advantage is the tire's studdable design. Where legal, drivers can add studs to further improve grip on icy roads, reducing skidding and enhancing confidence on hard-packed ice. The Evolution Winter also carries the 3-Peak Mountain Snowflake, 3PMSF, certification, which denotes proven performance in severe snow conditions. Beyond winter performance, the Evolution Winter doesn't compromise everyday usability. Its solid center rib and winter-specific compound improve stability and steering response even on dry or wet-cold roads, while deep grooves and shoulder notches help channel water and slush to reduce hydroplaning risk. Comfort and ride quality are also important. Drivers report a relatively smooth and quieter ride for a studdable winter tire, making everyday driving less fatiguing during long winter trips. In summary, the Cooper Evolution Winter Tire offers exceptional snow and ice traction, optional stud capability, reliable handling, and versatile winter performance, making it a solid choice for drivers prioritizing safety and confidence in cold weather conditions. Number 4. Nexen Winguard Winspike 3 Winter Tire. The Nexen Winguard Winspike 3 Winter Tire is a winter-specific tire designed to give drivers confidence and control when temperatures drop and roads turn treacherous. With a focus on traction, stability, and value, this tire is a solid choice for drivers in cold climates seeking dependable performance through the harshest months of the year. One of the standout strengths of the Winguard Winspike 3 is its exceptional winter traction. Its directional tread pattern combined with dense 3D siping produces a large number of biting edges that grip snow and ice, improving acceleration, braking, and cornering on slippery surfaces. The deep grooves also help channel water and slush away from the tire, reducing the risk of hydroplaning and maintaining steady contact with the road. A significant benefit of the Winspike 3 is that it's studdable where legal. Pre-molded stud holes allow the installation of metal studs for enhanced ice traction, a feature that drivers in icy regions will especially appreciate for improved braking and grip. Despite being a winter tire, many users also note the comfortable ride quality and surprisingly modest road noise for a studdable tire, making everyday driving less fatiguing even on long winter trips. Another advantage is its value for money positioning. Compared with some premium winter tires, the Winguard Winspike 3 often delivers strong all-around performance at a more accessible price point, making winter safety more affordable for a wide range of drivers. In summary, the Nexen Winguard Winspike 3 winter tire offers reliable snow and ice grip, optional stud capability, effective slush/water evacuation, comfortable winter driving, and great value, all key benefits for drivers prioritizing winter safety. Number 5. Goodyear Assurance MaxLife All-Season Radial Tire. The Goodyear Assurance MaxLife All-Season Radial Tire is designed for drivers who want reliable all-season performance, long mileage, and a comfortable ride from their tires. It's a touring-focused tire that excels at everyday driving, including commuting, highway cruising, and family trips, making it a solid choice for sedans, coupes, crossovers, and minivans. One of the standout features of the Assurance MaxLife is its exceptional tread life and durability. Goodyear backs this tire with an up to 85,000-mile treadwear warranty, one of the highest in the all-season category. The tread compound and design resist wear, which means you'll spend fewer times changing tires and more years on the road without worry. Traction and handling are reliably balanced in all seasons. The tire's symmetrical tread pattern, wide circumferential grooves, and multiple sipes help provide confident grip on dry and wet roads, while effectively channeling water away to resist hydroplaning in rain. While it's not a dedicated winter tire, its all-season compound offers acceptable traction in light snow, making it versatile for year-round driving in milder climates. Comfort is another strong suit. The MaxLife delivers a smooth, quiet ride thanks to its optimized tread and internal construction, which helps absorb road imperfections and reduce noise at highway speeds, a benefit that drivers appreciate on longer journeys or daily commutes. Additionally, the tire's internal reinforcement and quality construction contribute to stable handling and responsive steering, giving drivers confidence on straightaways and during everyday maneuvering. Overall, The Goodyear Assurance MaxLife is a well-rounded all-season tire that offers long life, dependable traction in varied conditions, and a comfortable ride, ideal for drivers focused on value, longevity, and all-around performance.